Alright, people, doing recess light in Irene's. Let me show you a tool that's neat. Milwaukee makes it, and there's another company that makes it. I have another one made by another company that I don't have right now with me. It broke. But you can adjust it, got the numbers, the blades on it, and I'll show you how it works. You mark your recess light where you want it. You put the drill bit in there, and it catches all the dust. Do a little pressure at a time. Don't rush it. The battery's dead already. There it is. See it? All the dust is in there. You let it sit there for a second or two, come down slowly. There'll be just a little bit of smoke. There's your piece. Alright, I'll be back with the wiring. Like one more to cut over there. Putting 6 in this living room area. And my assistant here, she'll dump it out. My beautiful wife. Alright, so this is what I do. There's always an outlet that's controlled by a switch. It's over there. That's how I run the recess light right through it. Instead of running a whole new line, and then this outlet gets dedicated to just a recess light. So I'll drill a hole here, go from that wire down there up to the first recess light, and then daisy chain to all other 6. Alright, coming from there where the patch is, goes to there. From there to there, daisy chain to there, to there, to there, to the end. Now start popping the lights in, and we're going to put a ceiling fan box in the middle of these two. We'll do that now before we put the recess light in. See, the tool breaks down to a small hole also for the size of the ceiling fan box. Always get the twist one that locks into the beam stronger. Yeah. This is another tool I have that I keep with me all the time. Alright guys, so if you got access to the attic, you can get to the holes easily through up here, you know. So, alright guys, we're using Romex, so I'm using a Romex tube. You see how it's shaped? To go right around the Romex. It's got the 14 and the 12. And it goes right around the Romex, you see? It snaps, then you can pull it. And it strips it perfect. Alright. So those lights are in already. And I'm going to show you the easy recess light. Okay? No wire now, they pop right in. And under here is a tab that you pull the tab off, and the Romex goes right in there. I'll show you in a second. And see how they connect? It just slides right in there, and it won't come back out. See? It won't come back out. They're in there. And you tuck them in. So, close the door. And you're done. Stick the light up there. Shove the light in the hole. And you got these tabs that you flip up like that. They'll legs. I call them the legs. And you take a screwdriver and put it right in there and push. Tap it in and push. And push. And you put your bulb in, and that's it. 2 more left. Now light them up. Also, if you don't want to use the screws on the outlets on the back of them, they have the holes. You can pop the 14 wire in there. Alright, my wife's gonna do a test now. See if the lights work. Yes, look at the difference in here. Holy macaroni. Shut them off? Okay. Turn them on, leave them on. Now that's how you do recessed lights. Those are the lights I bought at Home Depot. They're for existing construction. That's when you have a ceiling already. If it's new construction, you can get the cheaper ones. But always remember, shut the power off. Work with no power. Don't be crazy like me. Okay, bye. Like and subscribe.